A logistics enterprise is deploying Dynamics 365 Business Central and requires a procedure to manage the acquisition of delivery trucks as fixed assets. The fixed asset record is pre-created, and the procurement team must utilize a purchase order to finalize the acquisition. Arrange the following steps in the correct chronological order to complete this purchase process. The options are: A. Create a new purchase order for the truck vendor. B. Register the receipt and invoice. C. Select fixed asset as the line type within the purchase order lines.
D. Execute the acquire operation on the asset record. E. Select item as the line type within the purchase order lines. F. Enter the purchase quantity and unit cost. G. Input the fixed asset identifier in the number field. H. Input the inventory item identifier in the number field.
Consider the operational workflow within Dynamics 365 Business Central when handling asset procurement. The system requires specific document line configurations to differentiate between standard inventory and fixed assets. Think about how the application processes these distinct transaction types through the purchase order lifecycle, ensuring the financial and subledger records are updated correctly upon completion. In my view, the correct sequence is: create a new purchase order for the truck vendor, select fixed asset as the line type, input the fixed asset identifier in the number field, enter the purchase quantity and unit cost, and finally, register the receipt and invoice. This flow is essential for ensuring that the asset is properly recognized and capitalized in the fixed asset ledger at the time of purchase. Options that select item as the line type are incorrect because this treats the purchase as inventory rather than a capital asset. Additionally, performing a manual acquisition operation is unnecessary, as the purchase order handles this automatically upon posting. A useful exam tip is to always identify whether a purchase line is intended for an item, a GL account, or a fixed asset, as this changes how the system triggers subledger updates and financial reporting.